my channel. This is me, Meiji. I'm back for today's video, guys. Rock and roll. Alright, guys. It means if I make rock and roll again, again, this is that Band-Maid. Alright, guys. We will make reaction for Band-Maid, actually. I always react for, now I see rock and roll. Alright, guys, the title of music is Sense. Okay, official live video from Band-Maid. Arigato gozaimasu to all Japanese. Only that I know. Or what can I say if I love you? I forgot. I stero. Just correct me if I'm wrong. Alright, guys, there is 282 views 1 year ago, and then there is 12k like. I hope there is a lot also that our reaction like, and there is a lot also view to our reaction, guys. Okay, now is we will start. But by the way, guys, if you are new to my channel, guys, don't forget to like and share and comment below. Alright, guys, wala na akong voice. Okay, stay tuned and play. I still have energy. Guys, already done that music, that Sense. from Bandmade. Okay, actually this one, that live is a good performance and also awesome. It's always, they are always rock and roll, this time they are wearing the maid costume. Actually last time, I think that before, they are wearing full white, but this time is wearing that dress code. Alright guys, we will give rank with them. Bandmade. Dan, 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 dan. Alright, I will give 10. This is also is my favorite. You will rock and roll us. Yeah, you can see me, you can watch me. I'm all full energy. Alright guys, even this is a woman, you can see they can sing rock and roll. Oh my god. Inshallah, hopefully I will be rock and roll, and then I can learn how to play guitar. I want also to play guitar and also that piano, but I don't have talent of that. My talent only is to do reaction to everyone. Alright guys, actually it's this kind of music, it's good and amazing. Only I can say it is awesome. Alright, and also ooh la la, ooh la la. It's really, it's a good band. It's also they know how to make rock and roll. Okay, I hope guys you like my reaction to them, and then I hope there is a lot of like my reaction for them. And also, if you are new to my channel guys, don't forget to like and share and comment below guys. Okay guys, thank you to everyone. I appreciate it, and I hope see you in my next vlog, and thank you so much, and I hope you like it. Alright guys, thank you and bye and masalama. I love you all.